Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Camera Translation app and granting camera and storage access so the app can capture and save text. Once done, pick the source and target languages and download offline packs if you expect no network. This saves time and prevents errors. Position your camera so text fills about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame for best OCR. Make sure automatic focus is on and, if available, enable continuous capture mode to let the app process multiple lines quickly. You now capture the text. Hold the device steady or mount it on a tripod and center the text to minimize perspective distortion. Then check exposure and contrast. Poor lighting causes misreads, so increase brightness or add a lamp if needed. After the app scans, use the selection or lasso tool to crop exact lines and correct any OCR mistakes before translating. This step matters because cleaner recognized text yields more accurate translations. Confirm punctuation and numbers manually to avoid semantic errors. You run the translation and read the result aloud to check meaning and tone, making edits for idioms or context where a literal translation fails. Once satisfied, use the app's playback to hear pronunciation and confirm names, numbers, and units are correct. Then export as text, screenshot, or share directly. If the translation looks off, retry. Rescan with better lighting, correct OCR errors, or switch a dialect or formal verses in formal setting. Troubleshooting tip: if results are garbled, clear cache and re-download the language pack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.